Good evening, friends. So this is more of a philosophical video. Please choose to ignore it if you are not interested in any philosophy from my side. As we are entering New Year, some of you might be thinking about having some goal for the year, or maybe goal for next few years. How many goals can you really decide? I mean, and can really fulfill? Of course, having a long list of 10, 20 goals is not going to work out. Probably most of us know that. Then, how many goals is actually ideal? Ideal is one. You focus on it and you just do it, just finish it. However, it never works out, like one goal is definitely not enough. What I have learned from my experience, if you have multiple goals, let's say you have 2 goals, 3 goals, and if they are disconnected, it actually works out. So one goal should not contradict or affect the other goal. Of course, it requires some kind of a planning as well. Now, what kind of goals we should have? In my view, the most primary goal that you should always put on the top of the priority list is your health. So one goal should be around health. As we are in this COVID-19 situation, most of us are at home and might not be working out. Definitely, those who do not work out at least walk around in office, travel to office. But that is also not the case now. So regular exercise and right size meals are very, very critical. So first goal, in my view, should be around your health. The second goal, which is probably very important again, is around family. Those of you who are unmarried, you still have families. Please don't forget that. You have your parents, you have your friends. Friends are like your family, at least till you are married and possibly even after that. So second goal should be around family. And these 2 goals are not very huge goals. These are just light goals according to me. Just be in touch with your family and take care of your health. Taking care of your health does not need any of your time. Even 15 minutes of workout sometimes is enough. And just making a call to a friend or family, to, let's say if you have many friends, just calling each friend once a week or once a month is also enough just to be in touch. Then what about the third goal? And according to me, this is the goal which you should actually pay most attention to, or you have to pay attention to other goals as well, but this is the goal which you should devote more time this year, and that is around your financials, managing money. Learning is very important, but at the same time, whatever you earn with your learnings, with your skills, how to manage that is extremely important, and that is something which is ignored. So how do you can manage money? Probably you know better than me. I have few ideas which I will talk about in my next video, but have some goal around your financials. The goal should not be that I want to make this much money. Fine, if you are happy with this goal, it's fine. Just have some ambitious target and try to achieve it. But the goal should be around how you can create assets this year. If you are 25 now, and let's say you earn 50,000 a month, typically that would be bare about very minimal salaries nowadays. I'm not aware of the salaries nowadays, but 50,000 a month for somebody who is working in, let's say, IT sector is not a big number. Most of you might be earning that. And let's say if you can get away with your expenses in 25,000 per month, what do you do with your next 25,000 per month? How you can create some asset that will help you when you are probably 45 or 55. That is something should be a goal. Another point is, how do you manage your expenses? That should be included in your goal. And the most basic goal that I can think of is at least to learn to do so. How you manage your money, how you manage your expenses. That could be a primary goal. So that's just a piece of advice, and I want to create one video where I'll only talk about how you should manage your money, how you should multiply your money, how you should manage your finances. Maybe in my next video. It requires some work from my end too. I will do that. But just think about it. This is a piece of advice from my side. 3 goals this year. One goal is around your health, which requires probably 15 minutes to half an hour of your time per day. Second goal is around family. It depends on how much time it takes and how you manage it. And third goal is around your finances. Thank you very much.